To play Valorant PS5 with keyboard and mouse, first you have to search it up on Google first if it's possible. As you can see, you cannot officially play Valorant on PS5 with a keyboard and mouse, as the console version is designed only for the Valorant. As you can see, there is only a console that you can use to play for the Valorant itself on the PS5. So it is not possible to use your keyboard to use it, unless if you're just going to play Valorant on your PC. If you want to play Valorant on your PC using a keyboard, just go ahead and search the Valorant on your website or Safari. Or you can just go ahead and download the PlayStation version of Valorant to your mobile phone and use the keyboard of your mobile phone so that you can just go ahead and enjoy playing it. As you can see, Valorant is very accessible to any device that you have, so if you want to play it with a keyboard, choose a correct device.